to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murphy and Marble. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Southwestern Butte County in central Georgia, Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over High Falls State Park, or 9 miles northeast of Barnesville, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Barnesville, Milner, Eldora, High Falls State Park, Blount, Liberty Hill, Goggins, Collier, Johnstonville, and Chapel Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service in Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roads.
What the hell? Stupid mid.
Is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-866-783-4466 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSJSP. Or by posting on our Facebook. Those in the midst. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern.